Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another video for February. I can't remember. I'll put it down in the description below. But everyone's out, happy as can be, and the chickens are being locked out of their house for the days because they chew on the plastic there. Chew on the plastic. We first thought it was mice. But then we realized it was the chickens, because when I was putting them away, all I heard was thumping, so I had to put that up. This little ducky here and chicken are not too happy with each other. They're kind of following each other around and pecking at each other. Not out of love, just out of, you're in my way. Little Dewey's still in where he has been before. We cleaned out the houses, big trash mess. And as you can see, there has been some snowmobiling going on because of the tracks. I have in my garage right now because to kind of melt some of the ice off, but I have been out riding. I have some videos on my GoPro that I'll try to upload to YouTube. And if he will not drink all his water down, get all muddy before I leave, he'll be okay. It's a beautiful sunrise going on. School bus is going by. It's not too beautiful, but I want to see. Is she still laying? Dang it, that chicken was laying on that duck egg. She's abandoned it. But soon as Red finds it. Yeah, Red is the New Hampshire red chicken. And she's really broody, so I might get some egg action from her, but if not, oh well. I want her to have some quail for us, so we can have some quail. About 4 or 5, so we might have an adventure going on if she'll lay on them. People up the street from us have some quail, so we'll see if she will lay on their eggs and not break them. But to end this up, stay tuned for more, and please like and subscribe and share the videos, and have a good day.